Hi, to show data usage on your Nothing CMF Phone 1, firstly just open Settings and choose this first tab Network and Internet. After that, tap on Internet and then tap on your network provider. In my case, it is Vodafone. So I'm gonna tap it. Now you can scroll down and check app data usage if you want to. And after that, select data warning and limit. So firstly, we can tap on mobile data usage cycle and set cycle reset date. So basically, your mobile data will reset on the day which you selected. So just scroll like that, set a date and then tap set. We can also enable set data warning and choose data warning. So for example, you'll get warning after you used 2 gigabits, or you can switch to megabits, or you can set another amount, for example 3 gigabits or megabits. Then also tap set and we can enable to set data limit. So here you can go in data limit and also choose amount of gigabits or megabits and then set it. By the way, when you're enabling this feature, you can see this information about the feature, so your phone will turn off mobile data once it reaches the limit that you set. And since data usage is measured by your phone and your operator may account for usage differently, consider setting a conservative limit. And that's basically it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye!